Hello YouTube, friends and families, subscribers. Alright, Mad Brad's Customs here. I just picked up this '01 Cobra. Has 60,000 miles on it. Car's been in the guy's family for quite a while and put a new motor in it and never really got to finish it. I picked it up. Needs a lot of work, but I can do it and that's what I like doing. Let me turn this thing around and show you the underneath. Alright, we'll get it. Okay, here we go. So the car looks really nice underside. It's got a stainless steel exhaust system all the way through. Oh yeah. Anyway, I just got home last night about 11:30 and figured I'd do a little underneath while it's on the trailer. Yeah, here we go. All the tires are in good shape. The car needs to be refinished just because of it sitting. I think he said it's been sitting about 12 years. He just never got finished with it. And got lowering springs all the way around on it. Only a little teeny bit of surface rust here and there, and that's it. Nothing bad at all. Let's see if I can go under here. Get you a little bit of deal. Car's just clean, not bent, not messed with. All right. So, project. And I know y'all like projects. I do. I know you like watching and learning. And I'll try to show you all that I do with this. I'm a one-man show around here. So I'm going to run it up to a spray wash and just rinse it all off real good and get the mold, green algae off the body. But anyway, watch what I do. Don't forget, like and subscribe. We out.